This, guys, is the snowball that me, roll. Tried to roll it past there. Pray for me, guys. Okay. I'm gonna continue this gigantic piece of beauty. It's gonna continue in the morning. Right now I'm gonna head back, and the street light just went off. Okay, see you guys. Huh. Michigan in a snowstorm. Can you hear that? Snow. Making the screen all wet. Better turn it off. Oh, I went back on. I'll see you guys in a bit. See you guys back home. I'm back. Yeah. Gonna resume that in the morning. Oh yeah. See you guys.